Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking more about Jonas's point of view about his community. So go ahead and turn to the next clean page in your notebook and write the date in the top right hand corner. Today is August 18th. And as always, the next thing we're going to write is the objective in Cornell note style. On the left, you're going to write objective. On the right, you can write I can explain Jonas's mindset about his community. If you need more time to finish writing, go ahead and pause the video, but I'm going to move on. So as we've stated before, the giver is written in the point of view of third person limited. In third person limited, the narrator is not a character in the story, but still allows us to have some insight into one character's thoughts and feelings. In the giver, we get the thoughts and feelings of Jonas. So just a quick review. This is one passage from the book that we've read. It says Jonas had blinked, looked around, and then tested his eyesight, squinting at the small print on the identification badge attached to his tunic. He read his name quite clearly. He could also clearly see Asher at the other end of the throwing area, and he had had no problem catching the apple. Jonas had been completely mystified. So in the bold and red words, you can see some keywords that tell us that it's third person limited. We see Jonas, we can see he, but also it says Jonas had been completely mystified. So now we know that we're getting the thoughts and feelings of one character, and that character is Jonas. Another quick example. Sometimes it might seem a little confusing. For instance, in this passage we see, I felt very angry this afternoon, Lily announced. So we're getting Lily's thoughts and feelings, but we're not seeing into her mind. We don't know Lily's thoughts and feelings unless she tells it to us and tells it to her parents and to Jonas. So we're not seeing into her mind. Therefore, even though we're getting some of Lily's thoughts and feelings, it's still in third person limited. Many of you have stated that you would not want to live in Jonas's community. A few of you have even said that if you were Jonas, you would run away. But Jonas is only 11 years old, and he has never seen or been to a community that is any different than his. Jonas does not realize his own life could be different, or that there are problems in his society. Most of the adults don't either. They have lived in this place their entire lives and cannot imagine anything wrong or different. Today we will begin looking at chapter 6 of The Giver, and while we read, we're going to try and figure out how Jonas's opinions and point of view have been shaped by his community. So go ahead and take out your guided practice worksheet, and we're going to get started.